to go?
We'll go next. Don't get up close to that edge.
Alright, don't worry, baby. You'd have to go on that and then down.
I got my boots down.
Yeah, you can't be doing that in the flip-flops. Is this still part of that, South Brunswick River? The South Brunswick River is 6 miles long. It's considered a tidal river and starts in Brunswick near the Sydney Linear Bridge. It's where Turtle River meets the East River. From there, it flows in an easterly direction to St. Simon's Sound. St. Simon's Sound runs between St. Simon's Island and Jekyll Island. This area, also known as the Golden Isles, is home to a number of different crustaceans, including blue and fiddler crabs. Fiddler crabs are often seen near the water's edge, especially during low tide periods along the shores of the Little Satilla River. The latter is also a tidal river and runs for 22.6 miles along the borders of Glynn and Camden counties.